The most hyped up and excited airdrop for me in the coming month is the Jupiter Season 2. So we jump straight onto the laptop and we're gonna talk about claiming an airdrop as well as how to get the Jupiter Season 2. First of all, it is very easy and I will take you step by step. First thing, the most important one, in my opinion, is to go and do swaps, is to create volume, the number of transactions, and all of these other things. So I will leave you the link to go and jump straight onto Jupiter to go and do swaps. How many do I suggest you to do it? Well, I would say at least I would go once a day, do 10-20 transactions a day, as it is on Solana. It is extremely cheap. Or you can do it 3 to 4 times a week and you go and do it as you wish in terms of how much funding you can go and spend in terms of fees. But I would tell you, it is on Solana, so Solana is a great chain, super fees, low fees for everything as we see over here. And you go and do the swaps, whether you do half of it, whether you do 3 a day, 4 a day, 5 a day, it is super important. So the first thing is this swapping over here. And as you see, super easy, super low fees. Go and do it from Solana to USDC, then to USDT. Then also very important, in my opinion, to go and tap with the WEN token, with the Jupiter Solana token, which it is the Jupiter Stake Solana equivalent. We then have also the possibility to go and do with the Jupiter token itself. So this is the first thing, to go and do the swapping as well. But if you're into crypto, guys, check out this watch over here that I do have. This is the beautiful, as you see it, I'll show you on the screen right now. It is a beautiful Bitcoin watch. Now, I got it because I do like to represent all this Bitcoin and blockchain, and I think it's quite nice. You'll see it also here through the video. It is absolutely nice. So if you do want to get it, the link will be down below. I went and got it and I just like it a lot, and I think they have very different ones. They got like an orange strap with the Bitcoin logo, so it is super cool. I just like the full blacked out ceramic. Very nice. Let me know if you copy it. Link is down below. But talking about the Jupiter, as we said here, it is with the WEN, with the Jupiter Sol, and then the Solana. So the swaps, you understand, it is very easy and very straightforward to go and do it. It is a matter of swapping from one token to the others however you want, and you are good to go. The next step for the Jupiter token is to go and utilize all of this one over here, as well as staking your token. But before that, I want to go and tell you about the claiming of the dogs airdrop over here. Now, as we see over here, and by the way, if you do like the dog situation, if you like the free money allocation that we will see how much it's going to be in the future, even if it is $50, it was still a free to earn super easy airdrop, which basically rewards you to go and sign up with them. Well, in my Telegram, which I will leave you the link down below, but I will also leave the link in the description, there's other free to earn games such as the Gumball game, the Cats, which is the same as Dogs, which simply gives you an account date. We got the Crypto Rank, as well as the Banana token, a banana game, which is another one over here, which is super easy. And all of these are free to enter, which also the latest one that I am playing right now and I've discovered is the Drift Party. Now, this is a little bit more of a game, so you simply need to go and level up your cars, and that's it. You get points by doing that, absolutely free to do, and it is the one that I like the most. So I will leave you all them linked down below in case you are looking for some new Telegrams airdrop, which they do look like the future for airdrops in terms of the short term, for the 1 month or 2 months that it could be. But when it comes to the dog situation, so as we see over here, if you open your dog game, your dog app over here, you have the possibility to see this one. So all of this I will be giving away for you, the community. This allocation will be given away to anybody that signs up to ByBit. The link is down below through my referral link, so I can directly go and send it to you over on ByBit from one users to the other. From myself to you as a users, I will send these rewards. And if you click over here, you will have the possibility to see all of this, but you also have the possibility to go and send them directly to your ByBit account, which is what I did, so that I have the possibility to send it straight to you. Or if it was for yourself, you don't send to anybody, you have the possibility to straight sell it as soon as it launches. So you have the best way to go and reach the maximum price, sell it at the top, and then let it run down and then buy back in. So the link will be down below for you to go and sign up with my referral link to ByBit, and you have the possibility to enter this giveaway. And this is it. You simply go here, you claim it. Now, you do not see it in your wallet as of today. The allocation will be seen in the ByBit wallet, in your Ton wallet, wherever you want to go on the AKX, but do not do it if you're watching this video from Africa, Nigeria. Do not go with OKX because you're not able to utilize it and they will make you store it. So the best way would be to ByBit, just for you to know, if in case I have audience from there, and let me know in the comments if I do. And we got this one. So simply Complete all the steps. It will ask you for the ByBit wallet, which you already can find your Docs wallet on ByBit as of today, the memo, and the UID. Super simple, you will get your allocation there. But talking about the Jupiter airdrop once again, so we got this one, which is the swaps, which we just go and do, and we do it on a regular basis. Super easy, and then once you've done it, you can convert them back to Solana, stick it, keep it to Jupiter, whatever you want to do, you decide what to do. The next, and as you see here, I've done so many transaction between Jupiter. I've done Solana, USDC, when stake Jupiter, back to Solana, and I lost 0.0000001 Solana. So you see how cheap it is to go and do multiple transactions every day. Keep on doing the transaction day in, day out, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 transactions. You see how much of a nothing I lost. I lost basically this one. So to go and tell you how much I lost, let's go and put 0.00001. This is how much I lost. Doesn't even showcase to 1 cent. So you understand why this is the airdrop that I do like the most. Following up, we got the limit order. Now, this is a little bit more not sophisticated to go and do because everybody's able to go and do it. But the limit order basically tells you, hey, buy or sell this token once it reaches a price. So if we go to the Jupiter Solana, for example, pair, you can say, I'm selling my Jupiter token for this one, and we're buying Solana for this one. So you just put on different types of order, different types of sets, or Solana to Jupiter, and you're saying if it reaches this price, either buy or sell, depending on what you want. The other one is the dollar cost average, which it is a little bit kind of the same. You have different options. You go every 1 minute, you can buy X amount of the token over 2 orders, 3 orders, 5 orders. So you dollar cost average your entry, whether the price is going up or down, you set them both and you go and utilize. So if you got funds at your disposal, go and do all of them. Convert some Solana that you have into USDC and go and do this one, as well as the VA, the value average over here. You can learn more about this, but the most important is swap. Limit and dollar cost average comes next. Following up, we do have what I do think is also important is perpetual. Now, with perpetual is, and this is no financial, no financial guru. I'm not telling you what to do, how to trade, how to do it. I'm just telling you what I do believe it is the best way to go with the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. Perpetual, when it comes to perpetual, basically saying if Solana is going up, long, or down, short in value. Very easy. I would recommend you to do it, but with very minimal money, just to put a foot in the door, just to have a few transactions with the perpetual. In my opinion, absolutely yes, but do not. So basically what you're doing is say, okay, from today at 140, I'm entering the market and I'm saying that Solana, looking at the charts, looking at what you know, you need to do your due diligence research, it is gonna go up. If it goes up to, for example, 150, you have a leverage of 1x. So that means that if it goes up to from 140 to 150, you're making $10 because it went from 40 to 50. But if you do leverage to 2x because it went up to 150, so $10 in the normal scale, you would get $20 on with the 2x leverage. So you multiply by 2, you multiply by 10, 60, 80. But of course, if instead of going up, it goes down 53 times faster than 1%, it's gonna be 53%. So you do risk to lose your money. That's why they say perpetual is very, very risky to go and do. And if you do wanna try it, if you do wanna step into the door of the perpetual for the airdrop, go and utilize $1. Bet on $1, go for long or short with $1 or $2. If you do not know what to do, just $1, $2, that's it. Do not go with more than that. As well as governance. Now, governance is a very important one, and you can only be part of the governance situation by staking Jupiter token. So once again, go and swap your Solana USDC to the, as we see here, the Jupiter token. Once you have Jupiter token in your wallet, you will be able to go and stake it. Super simple, you stake them over here. You can unstake them, takes 30 days during the countdown. You will be able to vote, but you will decrease the voting power. So you go and lock your funds in for 30 days. As we see here, I got 288. You can do more or less, it's up to you. But it gives you a possibility to go and vote, and the more that you vote, the more proposal that you vote for in the long run until the Season 2 airdrop is coming, the best it is. So definitely something to go and do, and I will take you all the updates, whether it's here on my YouTube channel, over on Twitter. I will take you a video saying, hey, there is a new voting, make sure to go and do it, because it is one of the criteria with swapping, in my opinion, the two most important criteria. You cannot vote every single day, multiple times a day, because the proposal from the community are up and running, as we see here, every month, every 2 months, every every month, every 15 days, there's a new proposal as we see over here. But you can do the swapping on a day-to-day basis. So make sure that you do the swapping day in and day out. You saw how cheap it is to go and do it, so make sure that you go and do it. And this is, in my opinion, the best way and the only way to go and participate in the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. As well as a little update we do have, and go and join right now if you haven't done it, the Season 2 or the quest number 2 for the mint airdrop. As we see over here, it says a big and bold airdrop, so it's gonna be an airdrop. And you got a few quests to do. You got a bridge to mint, which if you've already done it, it's already counted. Hold an active green ID, which if you haven't done it, you find it over here on the top. It is free, so make sure to go and do it. And then you can go and mint X token pocket and the mint on co NFT. You simply go here, you do it, you mint, and you're good to go. This is how simple it is. You mint anything that you want. You can mint, okay, feature collection over here on Ethereum, over on Scroll. You can mint this cat one over here, for example, and you just decide how much you wanna, not how much you wanna pay, how you want to pay, which wallet you want to go and utilize, and you simply get your co NFT. Once it's done, you will see it over here as it is marked as done. And as you see over here, we've done the previous one, so very, very interesting. You gotta get the points. As we see over here, you got a lot of points with bridging, holding an NFT, etc., which it is the most important thing, and this will give you more points in the future. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.